Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to resize your canvas in Canva, perfect for social media posts, presentations or custom graphics. First, make sure you're using Canva Pro since resizing is a pro feature. Open your design project and look at the top of the interface for the resize button. Click it and you'll see suggested sizes for various formats. Super handy if you're unsure what dimensions to use. If a suggested size fits, just select it and Canva will automatically adjust your design. For custom dimensions, click custom size and enter your preferred width and height. You can switch between pixels, inches, or cm depending on whether your project is digital or print. Make sure to maintain the aspect ratio to avoid stretching your elements. Once ready, click copy and resize. This creates a new version of your design in the specified dimensions. Finally, review your layout and make adjustments to ensure everything looks polished. And that's it. You now know how to change your canvas size in Canva and keep your designs looking professional across any format.